Good morning, my dear tiny tots. Dear kids, do you know what is the sound of letter U? Yes, it's A. And what is the sound of letter D? Yes, it's G. Dear kids, when we will join U and G together, then it will become ugh, ugh, ugh. And today we are going to learn ugh sound words. So let's start. First word is bug, bug. Second word is duck, duck. Third word is jug, jug. Fourth word is mug, mug. Fifth word is rug, rug. And sixth word is tug, tug. Now, dear kids, it's a time to write ugh sound words in our notebook. So let's write ugh sound words. At number 1, we will write b, ugh, bug, b, ugh, bug, b, ugh, bug. At number 2, we will write d, ugh, dug, d, ugh, dug, d, ugh, dug. At number 3, we will write j, ugh, jug, j, ugh, jug, j, ugh, jug. At number 4, we will write m, ugh, mug, m, ugh, mug, m, ugh, mug. At number 5, we will write r, ugh, rug, r, ugh, rug, r, ugh, rug. At number 6, we will write t, ugh, tug, t, ugh, tug, t, ugh, tug. Let us revise it once again. B, ugh, bug. At number 2, d, ugh, dug. At number 3, j, ugh, jug. At number 4, m, ugh, mug. At number 5, r, ugh, rug. At number 6, t, ugh, tug. Now, my dear lovely kids, it's your turn to learn and write ugh sound words in your notebook. Thank you.